In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can withdraw money from Payoneer to your bank in Ghana. Whether you're using the mobile app or the website, the steps are pretty much the same. So the first thing you want to do is add your bank account, and you can do this by going to the menu and selecting bank accounts. Select bank accounts for withdrawal. Here you're going to select add bank account. From the bank country, search for Ghana. From the drop down, select your currency. Your bank will do the conversion for you. Then you're going to select next. Here you're going to enter your bank details. So from the drop down, select your bank, complete your name, complete your account number, and enter your sort code for the bank, right? So if you don't know your sort code, you can quickly grab this from Google, right? So here it will show you the sort code for each branch. So you're going to grab the sort code for the branch, right? And this is all from Google, guys. Enter your sort code, confirm your bank details, and select next. Here you're going to be asked to confirm your details by entering your date of birth and your Payoneer password and select add bank account. Now they may or may not ask you to provide a bank statement or ID to complete verify your account. Now within 15 minutes to 3 business days, your bank account will be approved. And once your bank account is approved, you can withdraw to your bank account. So I'm going to step back here. Now let's go back to bank accounts for withdrawal again. Once your bank account is approved, you'll see approved here, right? Then the next step is to simply withdraw your money by going to withdraw and transfer. Select withdraw to bank. From the drop down, select your USD balance or whichever account you have the money in. And then from the drop down, you're going to select your bank, right, that you added and is approved. So if it's not approved, it will be showing in gray. Then you will specify the amount that you want to transfer. And then you'll review and withdraw, and that's pretty much it. So within 3 business days, the money will be available in your bank account. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.